This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by duplicating the background to preserve the original. This keeps you safe while you work. Next, set up frequency separation. Create a low layer blurred and a high layer containing texture. For the high layer, apply image, and set to subtract/scale parameters or use a high-pass filter. Then change blending to linear light. Once done, hide the high layer and move to localized wrinkle retouching on the low layer. Now you'll smooth form on the low layer. Use healing brush or clone stamp at moderate hardness to restore volume without losing shape. Once the forms read correctly, reveal the high layer and fix texture. Use the spot healing or clone stamp at one sample to reconstruct natural skin detail. Make small strokes and toggle the high layer visibility to compare. Then refine with layer masks and low opacity brushes to blend edges. To finish, stamp visible into a new layer and make subtle global adjustments. Add very slight noise or a 1-pixel Gaussian blur to match camera grain, then check overall contrast and color. If the result looks too soft, reduce low layer blur or increase high layer clarity. If you see halos or texture mismatch, make sure masks are feathered, lower the retouch layer opacity, and redo small sections at reduced brush strength. This resolves most artifacts without undoing your whole workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.